Thanks for checking out today's video, and today we're continuing on with the Apache helicopter build, and we'll try and get as much done as we can. Again, I was hoping to make it just a two-part video, but it would be three for the assembly. So right, last video got these little rocket pods done. Now we're going to put on the stub wings, or ordnance wings sometimes they're called. So just here, yeah, don't do that. I'll just cut one out at a time. And I just give it a quick tidy up. Of course, you can use a file as well if you want. So once that's tidied up, the flattest side goes in towards the aircraft, and then you'll have this little bit that sticks out. So when you slide them in, they just fit in there like that. Awesome. So I'll just pull that one out, a little bit of glue. Yeah, look, you can do a lot neater than that. But yeah, I'm a bogan. So I got that one in there, and then quickly snip out that other one. And the same for the other side, so we'll just tidy that up a little bit so it fits in nice and smooth. Just tidy up this edge here, because you'll see that. Bit of glue. Then in it goes. That gives us our two little stub wings, or yeah, ordnance wings. There's a few different names for them. So then I'll just flip it over, and we'll get these rocket pods and stuff on. So the instruction guide, it's got the round ones on the outside and the bank of 4 in close to the aircraft. That was a bit messy, wasn't it? So get these ones on the inside done first. Where I live, it's still really hot. Having a bit of trouble with glue, so it doesn't like the heat. So we've got that like that. I'll leave that up so the end. Oh, there's one here slightly in the picture, so we're going to get to that stage soon. I'll just take it out of the picture for a second, let it start to dry. I'll bond a bit. Now, rear tail rotor, I'll snip that out, and with the rear rotor, I'm not going to I'm not going to attach it to the airframe, because you want to paint it separately. So that'll sort of make sense in the video when we paint the rotor blades. So I'll just tidy that up, and I'll leave that aside. So just put that one up there. Then we move on to the rotors, the main rotors. And Battlefront, you've done an excellent job with the rotors. I'll tell you what, this assembly system is just excellent. Right, once you get them out, give them a quick tidy up. Just those areas where it was attached to the sprue. Excellent. So 2 sections of the rotor, they look like that and just attached like that, and it's awesome. This is, yeah, best rotor assembly I've seen. So bit of glue, a little bit more glue. That just sits together. Sorry, I bumped the camera. That just sits together. Hold it for a sec. Awesome. And that'll bring our Apache build almost to an end with the assembly. Here you've got the extra rockets if you want to glue them on the end of those stub wings, which I've done here on the off-camera build. You can see them there. So I'm not putting them on this one because this isn't the early Apache, and so they'll stay on there. The last thing we'll do is flip this guy over, and we've got this here, which is like the gearbox. So we'll snip that out. Quickly tidy it up. Of course, you can use a file again, and then this section, you'll see in here, there's actually a flat area, so it's sort of like a horseshoe shape, and there's a flat section on this, so it's rounded and flat, so obviously slides in there. Awesome. And then now rotor blades are sort of dried. We can sit them on the top there, and that rear rotor will leave off because we'll paint that. I mean, it will slide into that hole, but we'll leave it off so we can paint it. And that gives us our assembled Apache. The leftover parts that are still on the sprues, I'll just cut off and I'll just put into a bag. So just like that. So that's the assembly of our Apache. Pretty simple. Good little build, and on my diagram I just numbered everything on the way in the order I built it. So, but yeah, that's maybe just for crazy people like me that want to do it. All right, thanks for watching the video, and I'll catch you on the next video, which will be very soon, where we'll get those BMPs finished off, and then we'll get on to the Apache and get it up to this sort of standard. So, all right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.